Good morning dear students. Today I will give exercises from chapter 14 forms of water. First one is the fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First one in fill in the blanks. First one, water exists in three forms. Water exists in three forms. Second one, when the water gets cool, it changes into steam. It changes into water gets cool, it changes into the ice. Third one, when the water gets heated, it changes into the steam. Fourth one, through water cycle we use the same water again and again. Water cycle. Fill in the blanks. First one 3, second one ice, third one steam, fourth one water cycle. And next one is the write T for true and F for false. B. True, false. First one, steam cools to form water vapor. False. Second, water vapor is formed when water freezes. False. When water vapor cools, it takes the form of water drops. True. Fourth one, snowfall and the falling hailstone is the same thing. Snowfall and falling hailstone is the same thing. False. Ice on heating takes the form of liquid water. Ice on heating takes the form of liquid water. Ice on heating takes the form of liquid water. True. First one false, second one false, third one true, fourth one false, fifth one true. Now come to the C. Take the right word. Take the right word. Take the right word. Take the right word. First one, take the right word. First one, water drops in the sky collect together to form clouds. Water vapor is also called steam. Water vapor is also called steam. Water exists in three forms. Fourth one, the long journey of water from the water bodies to the water bodies through clouds and rain is called water cycle. In take the right word, first answer is the clouds, second one is the steam, third one is the in three forms, fourth one is the water cycle. Now come to the answer the following. Answer the following. Answer the following. First one. What is water vapor? What is water vapor? The heat of the sun changes the water of ponds, lakes, rivers and seas into water vapor. water starts turning, water starts turning into gas, turning into gas. This gas is called water vapor or steam. This gas is called water vapor or steam. First one is the what is the water vapor? On heating, water starts turning into gas, and this gas is called the water vapor. Second question is the how are clouds formed? How are clouds formed? The water vapor rises up. Water vapor rises up. The water vapor rises up in the air. Cools and changes into water droplets. Cools and changes into water drops. And these water drops collect together and take the shape of clouds. The water vapor rises up in the air, cools and changes into water drops, and these water drops collect together and take the shape of clouds. Third one, what is water cycle? What is water cycle? Given on page number 59. Water cycle you have to write from page number 59. Page number 59. It is given on page number 59. You write from book. The journey of water from the water bodies goes on that through water vapor into clouds and then back through rain to the water bodies. This is called the water cycle. And next is the what are hailstones? Answer 4. What are hailstones? Page number 59. And what are hailstones? Page number 59. And what is snowfall? Same page, on the same page number 59. What is the hailstones? Sometimes the rain passes through very cold air and it then changes into crystals of ice or called the hailstones, and sometimes water vapor in cold air changes into the soft flakes of snow which fall to the earth. This is called the snowfall. Given on water cycle, hailstones, snowfall, given on page number 59, and you have to write from page number 59. So chapter 14, forms of water, answer the following and other exercises completed, and you have to write in your GSC copy.